Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the best free review apps for your Shopify store. So not only I will show you the app, so I will show you also how to install it. So the app it's called Judge.me product reviews app, and it's really good because it's more than 30,000 rating. That's crazy, and 5 star. So yeah, it's crazy. And for the free plan, you can have unlimited reviews and review requests. So it's very enough, guys. So yeah, so you can just go to your Shopify store and go to your settings here. And after that, you can go to your apps and sales channel. And then you can just click here. And after that, you can just search Judge Me, this one. And you will find this one, Judge Me the Just.me product reviews app. You can just click it and you can just scroll and you can just click install here, and then after you read it, if you are agree, you can just click install here, and after that you can just set up it. You can just choose the setting language, the widgets and email language and other, and then you can just click start setup here. After that you have to enable app embed. You can just click this one. And in this page, you can just click save here to activate the app. After you click save, you can go back to the previous page. And as you can see, you can choose to install review widget here. And this is the preview. If you like to like this, you can just click save for now. And then you can just edit it later. And then you can just click install star rating here. And as you can see, there is star rating here. And then you can just click save. After that, you can go back to the page and then you can set up your branding. For now, I'll just click continue. And then as you can see, there is automatic review request. You can choose this. I will choose this default and then click finish and all done. So you can just explore more or you can import reviews from your customers. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.